Hello everyone, I'm Cristiano. Welcome back to my channel, and this time I'm going to do a tutorial video. So we are doing the app watch from scratch to deployment. So uh, if you haven't watched the videos about app watch, please watch it before this. It's just like a good explanation about what is app watch. But I'm going to do like a very quick overview about this project. So this is the login page. We are going to do everything. So you can access the GitHub with the files, everything. It's running, it's online. You can try it out for yourself. So be my guest. You are welcome to do improvements in my code. So in this login page, you have like inputs. We can log in with Google, so we are going to do the Google authentication, and we can register. This is like a form page for you to register a new user, but we are not going to have this document type, and we are going to do like the reset password. So I'm going to do all the functions with you guys, and of course, we are going to log in, and this is like the landing page, like the home page of the project. So in this page, we can see all the projects that are running. So, okay, App Watch is a project that I've developed that is going to watch every software that I develop. So this is my website, cristianosilvadev.com. This is my homepage. So this is my portfolio web page. And as I can see right here, it's online. I have no routes registered, and of course, there is no working routes because I don't have any routes. So, but with this one, Poke API, I don't know if you know Poke API. It's a free API that you can try it out, to learn about doing request, response, about, the integration between front end and back end. So it's a very good like website for you to try it out. It's free. So and I have a route here that is registered. So it's Pokemon and the name of the Pokemon, I can say the name, and the route is working. As you can see, this is the response that we can get from this this route. So it's running, and the websites are online, as I just showed you guys. This is the ad. So this is the website. So this is all about, management of your own website. So as you can see, this is the like dashboard area. I don't know, like the overview. You can see all your projects, and we are connect to the backend using like a WebSocket. So anything that happens in the backend, I'm going to see like right now because it's connected. We can add another one, so we are going to do a model, and within this model, inside this model, we're going to fill like this form, and we can register, and we can also delete it. And this is the setting page, so we have the language. So we are going to do like a context for the language. This is the display. We have the light mode or the dark mode. I prefer the dark mode. And the notification system. So this is running right now. So anything happens with my websites or my routes, I'm going to receive like an email telling me that something went wrong. Like, oh, this page or this route is offline. So with this notification, it's inactive, but we can activate, but I'm not going to do it. This is just a demonstration for you guys. And if you click right here, you can get the code from this online page, of course. This is the profile page. I mean, we're not going to have this, so just going to be the name and email. Maybe I can add like a image or something like that to appear right here. This is the error logs. I just log in with my admin account. With my client account, I wouldn't be able to see like these 4 pages error logs because this is just for admin accounts. Users, websites that are registered, everything that is happening inside my app watch, I can see right over here inside this 4 page. So this is the overview of the project, and now we are going to like develop from scratch, from nothing. We are going to use Vite. So let me check the website from Vite. This is the technology, the software that we are going to use it. It's very fast. I mean, I really love this. It's very fast, very quickly to set it up an environment for you to work. We are using React, of course. So this is our React project. For the backend, we are going to use node.js, of course. Node, you have to install nodes. I'm not going to install the softwares, but you have to do it by yourself. And Prisma, we are using Prisma. There we go. We are using, I believe it's PostgreSQL. So it's very easy. I mean, it's going to be easy. If you follow my steps, step by step, we are going to do it. Everything is going to work. It's going to be great. I hope so. So let us begin. I'm going to log out because the first page that you have to do to build is the login page. It's very easy, as you can see. So let's go. So this is the folder that I'm going to, create the project. Let me just open my Visual Studio. Mm, this is my Visual Studio. So as you can see, we are inside the app watch. Do I have? Ah, yeah. I have a folder named app watch. So let me just check how is the script from Vite. I'm so sorry about it. So npm create Vite latest. That's an easy one. Okay, where is my Visual Studio? Okay, this is the code from the GitHub. This is the right now this project is finished, but if you want to get ahead of me and copy the files, anything like that, or study, you can download it. It's free. It's public. I'm going to set in my right monitor to help me because sometimes I forgot how to do some things or what I'm supposed to do. No. So okay. So let me copy the npm create Vite latest. Probably I'm going to name the project. Oh yeah. So app watch YouTube. I'm going to use React as you can see and TypeScript. So there we go. The project is is set it up. I mean it's really quick, right? Just let me let me just cd app. Okay, I'm side of my project, and if I do like npm install, I'm going to install all the libraries, and probably after that I can, just start the project just for us to see if it's running. Okay, wait a minute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Took me a long time to start it. I hope I can finish. Okay, there we go. So npm run dev, that's the script for you to run the project. It's running, and there we go. The project is running and it's working. This is like a landing page for React and Vite. So there we go. Right now I'm going to set it up some other things like Tailwind because we are going to use Tailwind for stylish. And let me think. Okay, just Tailwind for now. Let us Tailwind CSS. Let me go to the website and get the script for installing. I believe it's this one because we are using Vite. So, oh yeah, Vite. So I have to get the plugin post CSS. So let me just copy the script and install. There we go. It's running and okay, I just installed it, but I have to do like init because it's going to build up a file. Yeah, tailwind config.js. There we go. And I have to copy some things over here like post CSS config because I'm using uh, TypeScript. I have to do the importation quite different from this one over here. You're gonna see it. Actually, it's not like that. It's like I forgot how to do it. Let me just grab the other file. Jesus Christ! It's just this, and I have to do this in Tailwind CSS to I have to add some things over here. We are going to use this one. So there we go. And of course, I have to import inside my index. This is the main file for my CSS. I have to import the Tailwind library. Let me. I believe it's working. I believe that's all. I guess. I think. We are going to test it. Let me see. I'm gonna run the project all over again. And okay, looks like it's working. I don't know. It's different, right? Let me, delete all of those things that I'm not using. I'm not going to use a color schema right now, color or anything like this. I'm going to use poppings. I'm probably going to have to install it. I don't know if I have poppins, but anyway, just let us just leave like that. And I'm not going to use this one. We can do it afterwards. And I'm not going to use this file. I just delete it. Not going to use this. Let me just change my app to like a very testing. And one, two, three. No, let us do like this. Please work. And of course, Jesus Christ, class name. Mm, let's try something to see if it's actually working, right? And there we go. It's not working. Hmm. Let me just check a few things. Maybe I just have to. Ah, okay. I really don't like this one, like function app. I prefer to do like this. Let me just copy this because I don't want to export function app and return. I prefer like this, and I have to change over here because this is going to be like the structure for the importation of every file. For me, every file is a function file, so I have to import like that. So it's working, but the Tailwind it's not working yet. Let me see if anything is missing. I don't think this is necessary. mm, here it's. I mean, it's almost everything. It's important. Should work. Let me just try it over. Ah, it's working. There we go. So I have the Tailwind working. I just have to restart the project. So I have the Tailwind working, and my first page testing, please work. Let me just put in the middle of the screen. Flex call, and justify center, item center, and there we go. It's working. So right now the project is running. We have the first page and we have the Tailwind. I mean, the main structure is completed. Now I'm going to GitHub it. I don't know how you guys say that, but I'm going to upload the code to my GitHub. So let us make a repository and new app watch YouTube. It's the front end for my YouTube front end. Hmm. I really don't like the name, but there we go. So I just created the GitHub repository. Let me just upload the code to this repository. Let me put like this, and I believe it's easy for you guys to see it. Yes, I was watching some clips from my YouTube. White Stripes. It's a good band, right? So okay, let's go. Focus. Let me just stop the code and git init actually. There we go. Now git adds everything. This is the code that I just type it, git init and git add space dot. So it's going to all the files except node modules because I have a git nor here. I have to like take it all of this, but I'm not in the mood. So so let's just do our first commit. Like git commit first commit. I could just copy and paste, but okay. Now I think it's easier like this because it's the same for every, project. Just copy and paste and enter. Now, if I refresh this page, because this is my repository page, there we go. Now my project is online and we have something to work with. So, okay, the first part is completed. Okay, guys, part one is complete. Now let's go to part two, where I'm going to stylish and create everything that is required to be like this. This is the login page, app watch. It's online. So let us just copy this into this. First of all, we have to download the image. So let me grab the image. And there we go. I have the login image right here. So let me just copy the image inside assets. First, let me create a folder called image and put the login inside image. I think it's more, it's makes more sense, right? Because it's an image. Maybe later down the road, I have like, I don't know, SVG or icons or something like that. So it's a good thing to establish different structures, different folders for different reason, and just to be organized. So let us import this image to this div. So image, and I'm going to import because it's React, right? So I have to do this importation right here. Import logo image from, I think it's assets and image login. There we go. Now I can import like this. Okay, it's working. We have just import the image, but it's like column. We have to get to the row structure. So we can just leave this div right here and create another div. Let, let me put like this and class name flex row. Let me put like justify center, hyphen center. There we go. We have the testing. This is where we are going to make the form. Okay, it's ugly, I know, but well. So this is the div where our form is going to be. Let me. This is going to be flex column. Maybe a gap right now. Yeah, sure, why not? So, first of all, we have the title. Let me see again. Have access your account. So, first of all, access your account, and then welcome back. Just a small text, just like this. This is probably going to be, I don't know, maybe 24 pixels, size of the, maybe more, right? Yeah, there we go. I really don't remember the details behind the CSS, but we can manage that later. Let me set the order right. So first of all, you have the email and then the password. There's the icon. Well, there's a bunch of things we have to do, right? We have a button right here. Maybe we can create a component for the button, but right now we just need, I don't know, I think the background, the color is different, right? I don't know, maybe it's my eyes. I'm getting old, and that's why I wear glasses. Now, let me do the, oh, we have like this, right? So it's a box. I don't have the, okay, it's better this way, right? So this is a box. So email and Cristiano, mm, email.com, just for us to get a good look, and then we can get it better. Password, not senha. Senha is Portuguese. Remember, Cristiano, it's password. So my password is going to be like, guess my password. Just kidding, guys. Let me save it. Okay, the structure is coming alive. This is probably white and this is not white. Let me try something. So, yeah. Let me try to change it, the color. Let me get the color first from, this place. So, which color am I looking at? It's a secret. Oh, it's this color right here. Haha, find yours. I find my own secret because I forgot the BG color. Okay, now let me try to do like this. BG. Oh, wait a second. I messed. Okay, it's like this. Isn't like that? Let me see something. We don't have a color here, no. Why is that? Why is that? Why is not working? I have no idea. Okay, my BG is not working. Oh, I had Cristiano. Pay attention, Cristiano. Now, let me go back to this color. There we go. Now we have. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a difference between the form, the div that is around forming the form, and the background. It's a different color. Let me put it like this. Get out, please. So like a padding for. There we go. It's rounded. I don't know. It's if it's large or medium or you know basic, but I think this is the best way. Let me see. Oh, it has a border. Border. Yeah, looks like a border. Oh, there you go. It's similar, right? Yeah. So it's bold. You can see right through it, right? Extra bold, maybe? No, no, not extra bold. Just bold. Yeah, just bold. Okay, this is smaller, so we have to get this smaller text SM, maybe, maybe, yeah, sure. But it's not in the center. No, it's not the center. And we have like it's not. Maybe it's 10. I don't know. Like the padding, maybe it's 10, but Yeah, sure. Let us just live like this. And there is the gap between them. It's way larger. It's not one, maybe four. Oh, it's not this gap. It's this gap over here. Gap, I don't know, 6, 10, maybe something like that. Sure, why not? Let let us just live like this. So we have to do the inputs right now, right? Okay. Oh, the buttons. Let me just add the buttons right now. So the first button is just login. Oh, we have the forget your password. Forgot. Is forgot? Forgot your password? Yeah, that's a question. So it's forgot your password. Your password. Do you have a bad memory? Did you just forgot your password? And the button just below it, login, and there's a or here, login with Google. There we go. Now I have a don't have account, register now, right? Don't have an account. I believe like there is like two different. Oh, we can do it later. Yeah, we have all the text. I believe so. Everything is here. We have to make the inputs, the gap between them, the icon. Oh, we have to install React icon. And we have the forgot. Let me just. There we go. Now we have access your account. Welcome back. Almost everything is here, right? I believe everything is here. Now we just let us build the buttons first, right? It's the easiest. So let's go. So the text is center, text center. Yeah. BG is what color is this? I have no idea. Did you guys catch the color? Oh God. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, I I grab it. So Cristiano, Cristiano, pay attention, Cristiano. There we go. Yeah, but the text is white, right? Text white. There we go. And we have like a rounded and like a hover effect. And the size of the writing seems like assembled. Mm, and we're going to add like a padding, just to yeah, rounded, maybe large. Sure, why not? It's it's quite the same, right? And we have to cursor in point. I should do like not in the side a div, but a button, right? But we can do it later. Like we are going to like develop a component for the buttons, but we are going to do that later. As I like to say, if you don't have time now, do it later, but do it. Now, the hover effect, opacity, I like to do like this. Yeah, you can see it. It's not, I don't know, it's easier. We can choose a different color, like let me let me example for you guys, like a different BG color, more like this. But I don't know, just a hover, that's enough. So it's a hover opacity like 80 and cursor point. It's almost the same, right? It's probably the same, I don't know. Now, okay, you have to do the login with Google. Just copy and paste. But it's Oh, we have to. Okay, wait a second. We are going to add the icons just in a little, just in a moment. Wait for, wait for it. Okay, we have like a border, maybe the same color as this one, mm, but it's white like this. Oh, the text is not white, of course. It's not. I have a border. I should like this border. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, the color of the text is different also. I'm, I should do like this. Hmm. Let me just. Okay, there we go. It's easier, right? I should have thought that before. Now, let me change the color of the text. Text, maybe it's a gray, like 500. Yeah, 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 it's right. And we have to do this one. Okay, let me see. There's the opacity. Yeah, it's the same, but it's, a little bit wide, taller than the other button. We can look into that later. Let me just create this. Don't have an account register now. Seems like there's like two different divs. I prefer to do like this. The first div and the second div. Now just flex row gap one. There we go. Nothing has changed, but now I can change the color of this part of the text. Probably is going to be, I don't know, blue. Text blue. 800. Yeah. Symbol. Font symbol. But the size of the text it's smaller. Maybe SM. Yeah. And now justify center. There we go. Margin top like 5. Yeah, sure. Why not? There we go. Yeah, it looks kind of right, but the gap should be wider. Yeah. And the color is probably 600. Yeah, something like that. Maybe gap 3. Okay, let me stop right here and continue. Okay, we got a few things right. All right. So let us continue. Now I have to do the inputs, right? Okay, let's just build the inputs. For my website, I have like the name of the input and the input itself. So let me just build the input right here. Let me just grab the both of them. Can I do like this? Maybe it's Windows. I can't. Maybe okay. It's ugly, I know, but it's working. Let me just take this right off. So let me. Okay, inside a div maybe. Yeah, sure, why not? Shouldn't need it, right? And just do like this. So it's a text. So yeah, there we go. Class. It's the BG color is like maybe a blue, light blue, like this. Maybe 100. Yeah. Okay. And we have like this padding. Oh, sorry. Like this. No, too much. Too much. Too much. Too much. Maybe not that much. Ah, okay. Rounded, of course. Maybe large, also. I don't know. Looks like large. Okay. Let me think. Maybe put like a class placeholder, like Cristiano email.com. Sure, why not? I don't think I have a placeholder, but nevertheless. Okay, what is different? The size of the text, right? Looks smaller. Oh, it's not here. Jesus Christ. It's here. Text, SM. Yeah, sure, why not? And there we go. Let me just, yeah, sounds right. Kind of right. This would be a label, right? But never mind. All of the text inside is. Maybe I should put like here. I don't think it's going to be good, but please don't break it. Yeah, sure, why not? Eh, yeah, sure. I don't know. We can put the size of the text inside each div. Okay, first of all, it's like this. And the size of the text, it's smaller. There we go. Let's just put like a margin top just to, get some distance. After that, after the email, the border, we have a border, right? I can see right through it. Border, but I don't know. Yeah, border, poof, blue, 500? Nope, it's 200, maybe, yeah, sure, why not? It's gray. I don't know. I don't remember having to put a border. Yeah, sure. Just let just live like this. Let like okay, value. Okay, so let us use the states. Use the state snip because it's faster. So email comes first, and let me import the use state. So the value it's email, and on change you're going to you know maybe value. I forgot how to do it. It's value and value, right? Yeah, we should do like a function. I think it's better to use a function, right? Constant, okay, const handle, I don't know, set email, and we're going to grab and we can, there you go, set email, oops, set email target. There we go, it's working. Okay, we have the email. We are going to change that later. But for now, let me use something very simple like this one because we're going to use a library for the, validation of the information. We are going to do the same thing for email, I mean for password. I can do like this, right? No, I can't. It's password. The type of the input is password. I'm not going to write anything like here. It's not going to be a placeholder for that. Or maybe, I don't know, like that test. One, two, three. So password, handle. Let me just Yeah, it's better like this, right? There you go. I have the email, the password. Forgot your password. Okay, let's do it like that. Getting kind of tired for so much coding. So it's blue, text blue, 700, maybe more. I mean, semi-bold for sure. And the size of the text is smaller than this? I don't know. It's kind of right. Maybe XM? No, it's SM. Okay. And it's that's text right. Margin top and bottom of 2. Yeah, sure. Looks right, I guess. Okay. Now you have to do the this or and with this stuff. Okay. First of all, this or and this is going to be class name flex row justify center item center. There we go. Now how can I make this go like this? So it's not like not a div with something inside. It's just a div occupying the spot with a line. Let me show you guys. It's very simple. It's just a div, a self-closure div. I don't know how to say it, but I think that's the way. Self-closure div. The div that closes itself doesn't have anything inside. I think that's the right way to say it. I don't know, maybe what color should I give? Okay, now the color, I don't know, gray, maybe. I think it's too much, right? H1. It's 4 pixels. Supposed to be just 1 pixel, so 1 pixel. Yeah, sounds kind of right. Yeah, now we do like a gap 4. Come on, guys. It's easy. Piece of cake, I would say. Now, I don't know, looks different, right? This blue from this blue. Maybe maybe like this. I don't know. With a border. I don't know. Maybe like this. This is probably better. Let me see the color of this. This one, right? Placeholder, it's input. Alright. Text font light. We don't have the color for it? That's crazy. What is the color of this? I mean, okay, the background. There we go. I saw it. I saw it. Just where is it? Oh wait, where is the background color? Background. This is the background color. I don't know. Should be an easier way to get the color right because it is too much like this. Okay. E8F0FE. E8F0FE. What is this color? Let me see something. I'm getting Yeah, that's the color. Never mind, guys. This is the color, but I'm going to use. It's the same color. Okay, calm down, Cristiano. Everything's going to be alright. Now, okay, we have the Exagere account. Oh, it's way bigger in mine, right? Let me just get it smaller, like 2 maybe. Yeah, there we go. Oh, it's. Oh, I have like a responsivity. I don't know how to say in English. I think it's a responsive design, right? That's the most appropriate way to say it. Maybe like this. Hmm, sounds right. Okay, and I got the email, the password. This is the online version. Yeah, sounds kind of right. Sounds kind of right. But oh, I don't have the cursor, pointer, or the hover. Opacity by 80. I think it's the quickest way to do something. I know it's not the best way, but that's the way I chose. Yeah, sounds looks pretty. Maybe 3. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now we have the login page. It's not no finished. I'm going to stop right here. It's just a simple login page. There we go. It's a simple login page. Now we have to do the icons, right? First of all, the icon for the password. When you click it and the password shows to you, like right now, nobody can see anything. And the email, it's working. We have to do the icon for login with Google, right? Okay. Let me see first if that is, am I using an item. This is the this is the my code. Let me see in the original code. I'm using a React icon. So let us just install React icon. React icon. Here we go. Oh, I have to install it first. React icon npm. I forgot how to install it. Yeah, it's just npm like this. Now, okay, let me just stop the project. Npm install React icons, and I'm going to import the icon for Google. React icon, Google. Oh, it's probably this one. Looks more alike from my original code. Oh, Jesus, Cristiano. Import everything, and you are going to use it inside this div right here, login with Google. So, get out. Okay. Div, Jesus Christ. Size, I don't know, 25 maybe. And please don't break it. Oh, I have to npm run dev. I just stopped. I have to. Okay, it's very ugly. And it's very, very ugly. First of all, let us just do flex raw, get like 4, item center, and justify center. Oh, there we go. Let me see it in the original. Jesus Christ, I hate Windows, but that's what I have now. Okay, looks very alike. I mean, yeah, there we go. Looks good. This is this is my okay, here we go. Nah, there we go. Looks very alike. And we have to do the icon for the eye. Actually, we need two eyes. First eye icon is going to be icon. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, now let us search for a good one. This one, right? This this one and this one. I'm going to import and let me do like this. Let's go back to the code, login, password, right here, right? So how am I supposed to put the icon in the right area? I really don't know, but I'm going to try something. Absolute right. I'm going to do the absolute position and class flex. Mm, uh, yeah, but this is going to be like to get everything. Head, yes, my friend. We are doing so. Maybe like a 2, 3, and the top 3 or 2, maybe. 2 is like 8, 10 pixels. There you go. It's working, baby. I should do like a div for this. Oh, sorry. It's I don't know if it's better like this. Cursor pointer. And I should do like a function. When I click it, it's going to switch for the other another icon. This icon right here, right? So let me put the other icon and the same size, of course. But I'm going to do a state. Use state for show password. It's going to be false first. So use state. Okay, I'm sorry. Handle show password. Oh, thank you for that. So mm, yeah, I'm going to like to switch to truth. Truth. Okay, I have to click right here. On click. Actually, I don't need this because I don't need anything but the previous state of the password, right? So when I click on show, I could just do like this. I think it's the best. Oh, so sorry. Set password. So I'm going to switch. Oh, it's. Let me just take this off. I'm going to set show password to, switch from truth to false or false to truth. And now inside of this div, I'm going to do like show password. Then I'm going to, it's like this. If it's true, I'm going to show it, Jesus Christ, this. If it's not, oh, it is true, I'm going to show it like this. And it's not, I'm going to show the other icon. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Show path. It's true. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think that's the best way, right? Okay. We're switching between icons. We can, you know, in the future when you are going to integrate this, I'm going to like change all of these functions because I have to, validate the information, something like that. I'm just going to leave like this, and we can, later on get better results from this. Yeah, let me see something. Oh, there's something. Look the difference between them. It's way more far away from each other's. I'll have to do the responsive design, but we can do that later. For now, I think it's okay. Let me just, you know, get more distance between the image and the form. Is this one? Nope. Is this one? We have already 10, but I don't know. 14? Yeah. I don't know. It's quite good, actually. If you step into this page, it's a very nice looking page. Oh, register now. I have to do the on click. Oh shit. Cursor pointer and hover. So opacity 80. Okay. Now everything looks fine. It's not working like if you click here, but we can do that later. For the first part, just the login page. The second part, we are going to do, after the login page, the structure for the project. Let me log in as admin. We are going to do like the main layout, the page. We're going to set all the page up and a few icons. Maybe this card. Yeah. For the first part, took me some time to show you guys because, it's a large project and I have to thought about how to explain it, but it's fine for the first part. So wait for the second part. Probably next week or this week. I'm going to do all the parts very fast because I want to finish this, all this tutorial. We're going to do all the functions. So stick with me. This is the first part. I know it's not the best video, but it's a tutorial video. I'm still learning, so watch out for more. Thank you guys. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe, hit the like button, share with your friends, everything that you are used to hear from every YouTuber. And thank you. See you in the part 2.